Hello everyone, and welcome to Scholars, Science, and Global Change. I'm going to do a tiny excerpt of a lecture I used to give called Raw Animal Sexuality. The lecture was about evolutionary processes, but it used mating systems as examples. In that lecture, we stressed a concept called the battle of the sexes. That is, that males and females need to collaborate to make babies, but our agendas are really different because females are stuck with big, metabolically expensive gametes that they have to lavish care and attention on, whereas males can go around acting like the Sherwin-Williams logo, covering the earth with sperm and not really having to worry about it very much. And as a result, we sort of work at cross purposes. Wouldn't it be nice if every had the same equipment? We each had functioning male and female organs, and we were all the same. Would that make the battle of the sexes go away? Well, it turns out it doesn't. In fact, cross-fertilizing hermaphrodites have courtship systems that are outright violent. And here's a picture of an example that we're going to talk about: marine flatworms engaged in a courtship ritual. So, I'm going to ask my volunteer, Sarah Hahn, SGC scholar, to help me out here to demo this. So here's the situation. We're not humans anymore. We're marine flatworms. We each have functioning male and female organs, and we have just encountered one another, and something's going to happen. So, Sarah, as you enter this encounter, would you rather expend a little bit of energy using your boy parts, or get pregnant and get stuck for the next 2 months incubating a big bunch of metabolically expensive eggs with your female parts? Do you want to be the boy or the girl?
Definitely boy.
No, I want to be the boy. Well, now we have a problem, and so we have to fight. The way we fight it out is by a ritual that's called penis fencing. That is to say, we are actually going to try to tag one another with a little drop of semen, and that semen will create an ulcer by which our sperm gets access to our interiors. The winner is the one who doesn't get tagged. Now, in place of actual semen, we will be using these Post-it notes. Okay, loser, let's see what you got. Come on. Oh, what, are you afraid of me? Ha, ha, ha. Look at this loser. Can you move it? Ah! Ah! She tagged me. Oh, that hurts. Oh, now I'm going to get pregnant, you fiend! Ah! So, now, Sarah swims off triumphant to go inseminate the next chump, and I'm stuck getting pregnant. But I have this consolation. I have actually exercised a form of female choice because at least I didn't get inseminated by a loser. My mate had to best me in combat. And yet, all in all, I'm glad I belong to a species where we know from the outset who is the boy and who is the girl. Now, Sarah, we have one last piece of business here, so come forward. Raise your right hand. Do you promise that you will never ever say to anyone that you demonstrated penis fencing with Dr. Merck in front of a classroom without explaining the full context?
I'll definitely explain every single time.
Thank you very much. And thank you for visiting us. Thank you for your generous support.